look at this laundry! I better hang it up. Are you kidding me? Why is this so hard? I don't get it. Come on! Oh, it's all my nails' fault. I can't believe I'm doing this. But it's gotta be done. I'm gonna hate every second. Goodbye, beautiful nails. Why? Why did this have to happen? Hang on. This gives me an idea. It's worth a try. Here goes. Oh, wow. It's perfect. They're so colorful. This is more like it. I feel fabulous. I need to show them off. It doesn't get better than this. Snacks and my favorite show. Wow, look at those moves. She's a natural. Oh no! My top! Oh, this is all I need. I better wipe it off. Oh, I'm making it worse. Okay, don't panic. I'll just change clothes. Maybe not. Wow, they stink. I really should wash them. There must be something I can wear. Huh? Is this it? I don't think so. Wait a second. I know what to do. I'll need to make some adjustments. I'll need my scissors. I'll make a cut right here. That'll do it. Now I'll try it on. So far so good. I'll put my hand through here. And my head can go through the hole. Wow, it fits! And it looks amazing! I love it! But not as much as chocolate. Wait, what am I doing? I don't want to risk it. This book is a real page-turner. Oh, it's Brian.
Where are the pictures?
Hi, handsome. I mean, Brian? Over here.
What's that annoying noise?
It's me! Hey, look at me! Oh, what am I gonna do? Hold on. This is the answer to all my problems. Let's do this. Whoa, everything is blurry. I'll need my makeup. I'll start with eyeliner. I'll add a little flick. Wow, so glamorous. Now I can use my pen. I'll peel off the gems. I'll stick them to my eyelids. This'll add some sparkle. So shiny. I could get used to this. I better change my hair.
Huh? Oh, my eyes!
Time for a slow-mo hair flick.
Make it stop!
I always wanted to do that.
I can't see a thing!
Hey, you.
Wow. Hi, Betty.
What are you wearing? I've made a huge mistake. You can go now.
I'm telling my mom!
That was so embarrassing. This is so yummy. This is my happy place. Ooh, a message. Whoa, I've got a date. This is so exciting. I better get ready. I'll need some lipstick. I love this shade. Wait, what's that? Are those zits? No, this can't be happening. There are so many. What am I gonna do? I'll need to cancel. This is all your fault, Chocolate. I should have never trusted you. My date is ruined. Huh. My apple. Hang on. Maybe I can use the bag. Yeah, this might work. It's worth a try. I'll need my water bottle, too. I'll pour the water into the bag. I'll need more than this. That's perfect. Now I'll tie a knot in the bag. Where's my lipstick? I'll draw on the bag, just like this. I want to cover the bottom of it. Now I'll take a white makeup pen. I'll dab it onto the lipstick. That'll do it. Now I'll press it onto my face. I want the makeup to transfer. I'll do the same on the other side. It's covered the zits. But I'm not finished. I'll add a little green makeup. I'll shape it like a flower stem. Can't forget about my lipstick. I think I'm ready. It looks amazing. Mother Nature would be proud. Oh, time to get out of here. I can't let the teacher see me. I have a date to go to. When you look good, you feel good. What's your best makeup tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one. Hey guys, let's give you a new hairstyle, Naomi. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Once your hair is twisted, I'll lower it into a bun. Okay, you can stop. Phew. Now we just need to put it in place. That's it! Quick, easy, and looks great! Ugh, I hate cleaning. Why does everything have to be so dusty? This is taking forever. There must be an easier way to mop floors. Ugh, my hair is going everywhere. Ugh. The curse of having long hair. I can't even see what I'm doing. Ugh. I need to get a maid. Or a cleaning robot. Uh-oh! Hey! Give it back! Stop eating my hair! Let go! Okay. That's it. I need to do something about this. Oh, scissors! Just what I need. You asked for this! Wait. Maybe I shouldn't do this. I could use these hairbands instead. This seems like a better idea. I'll separate 2 strands from the front of my hair. Then tie them together under my chin. Just like this. I need another hairband. Now I need to separate this strand of hair. And tie it to another one. I'll put this hairband a little lower than the first one. This is looking good. I'll do the same with the other side. I want to create a lattice effect. Now I know what I'd look like with a beard. Okay, it's almost finished. I'll tie my hair at the bottom. I just need to make sure it's secure. I'm so glad I thought of this instead of cutting my hair. But I have one more thing to do. I'll flip it over my head. Wow! It's perfect! My hair won't get in the way now. I guess it's back to cleaning. I've got so many stray hairs. Luckily I have this gel. This should hold them in place. I just can't get my hair to sit right. Huh? What's Naomi doing? Could I borrow that? Oh, of course! How much of this stuff do you use? Just a little more. It's better to be safe than sorry. Whoa! What are you doing? Seriously, I really appreciate it. Sure. I'll just put it through my hair. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. My hair is definitely not gonna move now. Did you use it all? That's all that's left? Oh, what am I gonna do? Oh, I know. I need to grab something from my bag. Got it. This is just what I need. Whoa! This floss will do the trick. I'll run the floss over my hair. The wax on the floss will smooth out my hair. It's working! My hair is perfect! Ooh, I like your hair. Thanks, I flossed it. Can I have that? Fine. I should have known this would happen. Okay. I need new friends. This book is so good. I can't put it down. I can't wait to find out what happens. What does that say? I need more light. I can't read the words on the page. What is that? Ew, gross! Who even does that? I need to clean my hand. Aha! Tissues! They'll do. No! It can't be! Ugh! Is that gum? Where is it coming from? I need to get rid of this. Ugh, I'm instantly regretting this. Yuck! It's disgusting! Ugh! I can't sit there. I'll read on my bed. Hang on. Is there something in my hair? Oh! Sky! Hey, Rumi. Is this your gum? Gotta go. Hey! Get back here! Ugh. Fine. Look at this. Well? Oh, I have an idea. Parkour! I'll be right back. Don't move! Sky? What the? This will fix everything. Hair mousse? What? You have so much to learn. Watch this. I'll massage the mousse into your hair. How is this going to help? And then I can slide the gum right off. Whoa! Witchcraft? Pretty good, huh? Oh my gosh, you're amazing! Thank you! It happens to me more than you'd realize. Oh. Don't even try it? You never saw a thing. Wow. I'm so bored. I need to do my makeup. I love this coloring. Ooh, I know. Hey! Hi. So, can I have this? Please? Pretty please? No, it's mine. Aww. Naomi's hair could be prettier. I'll help her. I'll spray the hairbrush with hair coloring. This color will really suit her. I'll need to coat the brush. That should do it. She won't suspect a thing. This is gonna be good. Okay, what's next? Oh, my hair. A quick brush and I'll be ready. Huh? My beautiful hair! It's purple! That looks great! I'll do the other side too! I love it! Thanks, Claire! Oh. Yeah, no problem. I have something for you. Oh, woohoo! Oh, what a great workout! Feel the burn! I is exercising so tough! Okay, lunges! I hate lunges! Excuse me? You're in my way? Are you for real? Wow. That's a first. Is there a problem? No. You just carry on. Whatever. This is hilarious. Look at your hair! I'm loving this. Are you talking about me? What's wrong with my hair? It's a little messy. Okay, it's really messy. I need to tie it up. Oh! I need those shoelaces. It's time to be sneaky. Phew, I need a rest. And a drink. I'm like a ninja. She'll never know I'm here. I need to be quick. That's better. Almost got them! The perfect rhyme! I'll thread the lace through my braid. And do the same with the other braid. It's just like lacing sneakers. I'll work back through my hair. Now I'll undo my hair at the back. It's not messy anymore. And I can continue my workout. Okay, back to it. Wow, her hair looks good. Gotta keep going. It's better than mine. I'm actually impressed. Whoa! Ouch! Okay, that hurt. You fell right on your face. Enjoy your trip. We all have bad hair days, but when you have these awesome hacks, you'll look like you stepped straight out of a salon. What's your best hair tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.
Barbie, you need a brush.
Ah, that feels good.
There! Beautiful! But it's missing something. Maybe I'll borrow some of Mom's makeup.
Big mistake! Who's there? Why, hello there, Barbie. He shouldn't have left you alone.
I don't like the shade.
Let's put some color here. And here. No!
What are you doing?
Uh-oh.
Oh no! What have you done? I'm gonna fix you. Don't worry, Barbie.
Okay, how are we gonna fix this?
Lucky you, I'm prepared. Check it out. Ta-da!
Wow, what is it?
It's the fairy makeover checklist. You better write this down.
Crown? Makeup?
And all that magic. It's the secret sauce, huh? How did I... Never mind. We better clean you up first. All right, let's start with a bath. Now sit back and relax. You're in for a spa day.
Wow, I've never had a bath before. This is so relaxing.
Hold on. Where's my brush?
He never learns. Looks like you need more soap.
What in the world?
More.
Hey, stop it!
Here he comes.
Help me! I'm drowning!
All right, I got you. Oh, you're all clean. Doesn't that feel good? Wait a minute.